Just a little bit.
If they were out that first thing this morning, if they had a big grader here,
That's what they need.
just grade it off.
It's stuff. It's stuff.
Because the wheels are all full, right? Oh, that'd be a delay in start.
We get lunch.
Track needs just a little bit of work. Well, we're at we're at Navan, and at the Delta Fair we knew that we had some, what we thought to be ignition issues. Unfortunately, just went down the track again, and the exact same thing happened. So, as much as it seems like an ignition issue, I don't know. Like, we changed intake. That's the thing we changed. Now we're having this problem. It seems like ignition, but maybe it's fuel. Because when I transition to wide open, just the way this whole system works, I kind of shove it. I don't like, it's not a gradual transition all the way to wide open. So maybe it's a fuel problem. Of course, I didn't bring jets because we thought it was ignition, and we were really hoping that it was that, but I guess not. So I guess we're gonna take another run. Last time to run, we changed jets. We're almost maxed out on jets. We were already running 96s, so we simply just, we also didn't have any jets, so we just drilled them out, about 10 thou bigger, and hopefully that fixed it for this round. We're really running out of pulls to do before Shawville, and we really want this thing to run right. And it just sounds so mean. It just wants to go. It just wants to go, and I just can't. When it does, it's going to be awesome, but we just have to get it. So hopefully everything's working right, and we go out and pull the furthest of everyone today.
Right.